In our last video, we unboxed the Vego Garden raised bed. And now it's time to build that raised bed. But first, check this out. As I was filming, this white squirrel showed up. Totally unexpected guest star. While we admire our fluffy friend, quick reminder. Vego Garden is sponsoring this video. If you're watching before April 30th of 2025, you can use the affiliate link and discount code in the description for 5% off your order. After April 30th, that code still works, but it just gets you $10 off instead. Either way, it helps support the channel. All right, back to our regularly scheduled raised bed building. Step 1. Gather your tools. Here's what I used. Power drill with a screwdriver bit. I brought out a wrench, but spoiler, I didn't end up needing it. A few flattened cardboard boxes to line the bottom of the bed, and well, that's really about it. Next, unpack the parts from the kit. The kit comes with a bag of hardware. You get bolts, standard nuts, and cap nuts, 2 different types. They also include a little socket wrench, which is actually pretty handy, and why I didn't need the wrench. And then you need to peel all the metal panels. They're covered with this protective film on both sides. Pulling it off is a little tedious, but honestly, it's not too bad. Kind of satisfying, actually. As you're peeling, lay the panels out on the ground in the shape you plan to build. Next up, choose a layout for the bed. It comes with various layout options. Now, I'm always tempted to go big, like the 5x5 square that gives you 35 cubic feet of growing space. But this time, I'm going with the more classic layout, partly to show you the standard configuration and partly because I like being able to reach the middle without leaning over like a yoga pose. Now, it's time to actually put it all together. So you start by connecting your straight panels. Follow the instructions carefully. You use the cap nuts on the top 2 rows and the standard nuts for the rest. It's a bit of a balancing act at first, panels tipping over, hands full, but once the straight sections are up, adding the curved pieces is much easier. The flat panels help stabilize the whole structure. Then you just grab your drill and that little wrench and tighten everything down. Finally, you put this black safety edging that goes around the top. It takes some firm pushing to get it on, especially around the seams. My thumbs are a little sore after doing it, I'm not going to lie, but it's totally doable. Working solo, this took me about an hour and a half. With a helper, you could probably knock it out a lot faster. So that's the build. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting raised bed, VegoGarden really delivers. They also offer a bunch of other tools and accessories like the retractable hose set and watering kit they sent me, which I'll be previewing in future videos. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your discount and support the channel while you're at it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next part, filling this bed and getting it ready to grow.